Hello Digi friends. Let's start. At first open the project window. If you don't see the project window, click on Window, go to Project, and click on the name of your project. Double-click inside the project window and find your desired video clip. Drag your clip into the timeline. If you don't see the timeline, go to Window, and find the timeline. Now click on the text tool and type your text inside the program window. Reposition and resize your text using the handles around it. Also, you can use the Essential Graphics window to change the text characteristics. As I mentioned before, it is also available under Window menu. Using these two buttons, you can align your text vertically and horizontally. Also, you can find some other settings like font name and its size. Now align the tracks in the timeline. Click on the video layer. Go to Effects, that again is available under the Window menu. Inside the search bar, type Matte. Find Track Matte key. Drag it over the video layer. Let me emphasize that put the Track Matte key on the video track, not on the text track. Go to Effect Control Panel. Scroll down and in front of the matte, select the track that contains the text. As you see, here the text is on the second video track. So in front of matte, I select video 2. Now, you can see that the video is inside the text. But the problem is that the background of the video is black. To put a colored layer as a background, select the two tracks and drag them one layer upper. Now here we have an empty track. Go to Project window and click on New. If you don't see the New button, double-click on the panel title to expand the window. Now you can see the New button here. Click on it and hit Color Matte. Hit on OK and select the color that you like to be the background. Here you can type a name for your color, and hit OK. Again, double-click on the panel title. Click on the color matte and drag it to the empty track. Align it with the other tracks. Now, because we changed the position of the text track, we have to go to the Track Matte key settings and give it the new address of the text layer. For this, click on the video track. Click on Effect Control and go to Matte and give it the name of the text track, that is video 3 here. Let's see the results up to here. Now it's time to put some colors inside the text. Go to Project window and start creating a new color matte. Here I prefer this color to put inside the text. I give it the name Neon. Now drag the known matte over the second half of the video layer. Click on the neon and go to Effects window. Again, find Track Matte key and drag it over the neon layer. Go to Effect Control, find Matte and select the name of the text layer in front of the matte. How about changing monocolor to multicolor? For this, go to Effect and type 4-color gradient. Drag the 4-color effect over the neon layer. Go to Effect Controls panel. Here you can see the colors of the gradient. First color. Top left. Second color. Top right. Third color. Bottom left. Fourth color. Bottom right. If you wish to change any of these colors, simply click on that color and choose your favorite one and hit OK. Let's see the results up to here. Now it seems we need a transition to make it more interesting. So, go to Effects panel, type Gradient and scroll down to find Gradient Wipe that is under Video Transition. Drag and put it between the two video clips. Here softness determines how the first clip turns into the second clip. Type 30 and hit OK. Drag the gradient handles to the left or the right to change the duration of the gradient. And the last but not least, put your time indicator in the beginning of the track. Go to Effect Control panel, and in front of Position and Scale, increase the values to zoom in a way that the text goes out of the screen. Turn on the stopwatch beside Scale and Position to create the first keyframe. Now click on the time indicator handle and put it something close to the beginning of the gradient. Click on the reset buttons in front of the Position and Scale. Let's see the result. Here we have the keyframes that show where the transition finishes. So by selecting and dragging them to the right, you can make them happen slower, and by dragging them to the left you can make them happen faster. And finished. This is the final result. Because we are newcomers in this media, we actually need your support. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Thank you very much.